Alright, this is audio test 1, audio test series 1 actually, tests 3 through 7, taking place on July 1st, to test my new headphones I have just gotten today. Enjoy! Hello, sound test 3 of, I think it's July 1st. It's Canada, it's the statutory holiday after Canada Day, at least, and this one, along with the next 2, will go on YouTube regardless of their success. And they will be tested regardless of the success of this one or future ones. Yeah. I'll see you guys in 10 seconds. Sound recording 4 of the stat after Canada Day. January 1st, I presume. I've changed the sound recording from the headsets, from the SoundMax digital audio to the headset, or vice versa. Sound recording 5 of January 1st. Changed every single recording thing except for voice playback to the wireless headset that I have. Okay, I changed settings on Fraps this time to the wave out mix. Okay, audio test 6 out of an estimated 10. I changed the settings around a bit, and Fraps is now set to the headphones, so I hope this is the last one. If so, then the next 3 will only prove that further. Okay, nothing has worked so far. This is the end of the series of audio tests. Audio tests 8, 9, and 10 will take place 2 weeks from now when I have been paid again and I'm able to find a USB to audio converter sort of thing. Or when I can find out the fix to this little problem. From now on, most videos will be recorded at the houses of other people, as they have Windows 7. When I have gotten RAM, I will also get Windows 7, and I will test, and test number 10 will be done then. Actually, 8, 9, and 10. Well, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching, and there will be more videos coming up in next week. For now, I will post one other video for you guys to enjoy. There will be more of that particular series, but but thank you for watching this. To support my channel, please rate it and tell people about me. My name is JacksonFelblade, JFT Storm Chaser, Troy Mooney. Have a nice day.